The truth of the matter is that there is larger and larger percentages of everyday people who have had negative experiences with law enforcement officers. And I'm going to tell you why. And I'm going to be absolutely blunt. And my good friend, Mr. Gorgon, may disagree with me. In Palm Beach County, in what is supposed to be a free society, protected by the Constitution, every routine traffic stop now has a regimen where, once the traffic violation is investigated, the next step in the process is to ask your child. Your child does not have to be black. Your child could be white. It could be in Wellington, or it could be on Rosemary Avenue. The next question is there anything in your car that we should be concerned about? Which leads to the inevitable search of the vehicle. Now, if you think people are freely and voluntarily consenting to the search of their vehicle in the legal sense, you're quite naive. I see this on an everyday basis in my courtroom. I hear the stories from friends and neighbors. I have a judicial assistant whose son works at 3 jobs, has never been in the trouble with the law in his entire life, that was pulled over and his car was rummaged by law enforcement. Point blank, for absolutely no reason. He fits some profile. He's never used drugs in his life. He doesn't smoke cigarettes. He doesn't drink alcohol. I read on a daily basis probable cause affidavits in routine traffic stops that turn into major investigations in every segment of this community. Something that did not go on when I worked in the prosecutor's office in the 1970s. And I come back to what I said before. This all ties into the war on drugs, and it's a mission that's going to not only destroy our civil liberties, but it's going to turn the younger people in our population against law enforcement. I see it in jury selection. I see it in the eyes of the young offenders that come into my courtroom. I see it on a daily basis. And I'm telling you, the rights of everybody are being threatened when these sort of practices continue on a daily basis. There is absolutely no reason why a kid, because he's 19 years old and is driving home and has not committed a violation of the law, should be asked for permission to search his car, where there's absolutely no indication that that person is dealing in drugs. And let me tell you, if I lived in a minority community where that became a daily basis, there would be no partnering with the law enforcement community. There is the partnership that he talks about, and I see it. But then there's what really happens on an everyday basis. And the everyday basis is not a fairy tale. That's all I have to say.